Hey, you. Yes, you. I wanna tell you something before video start. I'm Jihan the creator, or call me May the creator. Thank you for waiting patiently. Finally, I can post a video for today. After I almost finished my darn assignments, that made me almost stressed out. But don't worry, I'll be fine here. Anyway, back to the topic. The reason why the title in this video like what you'll see earlier, it's because I want to give an appreciation to any member of Monster Scout TDS is dark green. Since I bought them because of my college activity and have nothing to do while I break time, I spend my time to watch all episodes that give me an idea. Thank you for letting me to draw one of your videos since to draw, dark green. Make sure you watch his video series of Monster Scout TDS if you play Tower Defense Simulator TDS or like that game. And also his friend's video on their channel. Give the little appreciation for them all. Alright, enjoy the video!
Diamonds Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through. In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine.